Your body has a team called the immune system that works together to keep you from getting sick. It includes organs, cells, and proteins. As you grow up and encounter germs like bacteria and viruses, your immune system learns how to recognize and fight them, partly through exposure and vaccines. Usually, your immune system isn't completely weak. Sometimes only a small part of it is weak, making you more likely to get certain infections, not all of them. Some people have really strong immune systems, so they can resist more types of infections. But very few people can resist all types of infections. Sadly, many people only realize a part of their immune system is weak when they get sick. But there isn't a single test to check how well your immune system is working. Age matters for the immune system. Young kids who are facing infections for the first time often show more symptoms than adults. And as people get older, their immune system might not be as good at fighting diseases as it was when they were young. Scientists are looking into how lifestyle choices affect the immune system. What we know so far is that living healthy is good for your overall health, and getting vaccinated is the best way to support your immune system. Is there a diet that can boost your immune system? To keep all your cells, including the ones that help your immune system, healthy, you need to eat a mix of different nutrients. While some eating habits can help your body be ready for germ attacks and reduce inflammation, no single food gives special protection. The body's immune response depends on many micronutrients at each stage. Important nutrients for the growth and function of immune cells include vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, selenium, iron, and protein, which has an amino acid called glutamine. You can find these nutrients in various plant and animal foods. If your diet lacks variety and nutrients, mainly if you eat a lot of processed foods and few natural ones, it can harm your immune system. The Western diet, which is high in refined sugar and red meat but low in fruits and vegetables, might lead to problems in the intestines. This can cause chronic inflammation and weaken your immunity. The microbiome is like a busy city inside us, with trillions of tiny organisms living mostly in our intestines. Scientists are learning that the microbiome is crucial for the immune system. The gut, especially, is important for the immune system, and what we eat affects the kinds of microbes living there. A diet rich in plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes seems to support good microbe growth. Some helpful microbes break down fibers into short-chain fatty acids, which boost immune cell activity. These fibers are called prebiotics because they feed microbes. So, a diet with both probiotic, foods with live helpful bacteria, and prebiotic foods might be good. Examples of probiotic foods are kefir, yogurt with live cultures, fermented vegetables, sauerkraut, tempeh, kombucha tea, kimchi, and miso. Prebiotic foods include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, Jerusalem artichokes, dandelion greens, bananas, and seaweed. But, in general, eating a mix of fruits, veggies, beans, and whole grains is a good way to get dietary prebiotics. Can vitamins and herbal supplements help? If your body lacks certain nutrients, it can affect how your immune system works. Studies on animals show that not getting enough zinc, selenium, iron, copper, folic acid, and vitamins A, B6, C, D, and E can change how the immune system responds. These nutrients help by protecting healthy cells, supporting the growth and activity of immune cells, and making antibodies. People who don't get enough of these nutrients in their diet are more likely to get infections from bacteria, viruses, and other germs. Eating a healthy diet, like the one shown in the healthy eating plate, usually prevents these nutrient deficiencies. But there are times when people can't eat a variety of healthy foods, or they need more nutrients. In these cases, taking a vitamin and mineral supplement can help make up for what's missing. Studies have found that vitamin supplements can improve the immune response in groups of people who are at risk, such as those in low-income households, pregnant and breastfeeding women, infants and toddlers, and critically ill individuals. Older adults are at a higher risk because their immune response tends to decrease with age. This makes them more likely to have worse outcomes if they get sick. About 1/3 of older adults in developed countries have nutrient deficiencies. There are many reasons for this, like not feeling hungry due to chronic diseases, depression, or loneliness, taking many medications that can affect nutrient absorption and appetite, problems absorbing nutrients because of issues with the intestines, and needing more nutrients due to health conditions. Older adults may also have limited food choices due to budget constraints, difficulty cooking for one person, poor dental health, mental impairment, or lack of transportation and community resources to get healthy food. In these cases, a general multivitamin mineral supplement that provides the recommended dietary allowances, RDA, can be helpful unless a doctor advises otherwise. Taking extremely high doses of supplements, much more than the RDA, is not usually necessary and can sometimes be harmful or even weaken the immune system, like with too much zinc. It's important to remember that vitamin supplements can't replace the benefits of a healthy diet because no supplement has all the good things that healthy foods do. Many people suggest using herbal supplements to boost the immune system. But what does the research say? Echinacea. In lab tests, echinacea has shown the ability to destroy influenza viruses. However, research in people has not been clear on what exactly in echinacea is active. Taking echinacea after getting a cold doesn't seem to make the cold shorter. But taking it when you're healthy might give a small chance of protection from catching a cold. Garlic. The active part of garlic, called allicin sativum, is thought to fight the common cold. However, there aren't many high-quality studies comparing garlic supplements to fake pills. One review looked at one good study with 146 people. Those who took garlic supplements for 3 months had fewer colds than those taking fake pills. But when both groups got sick, they were sick for about the same amount of time. Keep in mind, these findings are from just one study and need more research to be sure. Tea catechins. Lab tests show that tea catechins, like the ones in green tea, can stop flu and some cold viruses from spreading and boost the immune system. But there aren't many human studies yet. 2 studies found that green tea capsules caused fewer cold flu symptoms or less flu than fake pills. However, it's important to note that both studies were funded by or had connections to tea industries. Here are 8 steps to help keep your immune system healthy. Eat well, have a balanced diet with lots of fruits, veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, and drink plenty of water. The Mediterranean diet is one good option with these kinds of foods. Take a multivitamin. If you can't always eat a balanced diet, you can take a multivitamin that has the recommended amounts of important nutrients. Quit smoking. If you smoke, try to stop. Drink moderately. If you drink alcohol, do it in moderation. Exercise regularly. Do some moderate exercise on a regular basis. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Try to keep a consistent sleep schedule by waking up and going to bed around the same time every day. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to deal with stress that work for you, like exercise, meditation, a hobby, or talking to a friend. You can also try simple breathing exercises throughout the day to help manage stress. Wash your hands. Wash your hands regularly, especially when you come inside, before and after preparing or eating food, after using the toilet, and after coughing or blowing your nose. In conclusion, understanding the intricacies of immune-boosting diets is crucial for making informed choices about our health. While no magic diet can shield us from all illnesses, adopting a balanced and nutrient-rich approach certainly plays a role in supporting our immune system. Remember, it's about overall well-being, incorporating a variety of foods, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on nutrition, wellness, and debunking health myths. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unravel the truth behind immune-boosting diets. Stay informed, stay healthy.